Good afternoon. This is Mrs. Chandana Santosh Niradi, Assistant Professor from Food Chemistry and Nutrition Department, KKV College of Food Technology, Saraswati Nagar, Nashik. Here I am delivering a lecture on enzymes, nomenclature and classification under course title Enzymes in Food Industry, course number FCN 368. Coming to definition, everyone knows enzymes. These are the biological catalysts which accelerates, that increases the rate of biochemical reactions in living system without increasing in activation energy. Enzymes will be having some specific characteristics like high catalytic power, highly specific in mode of action, requires optimum conditions for it to be active like temperature, pH, ionic strength, etc. They are regioselective and stereospecific, requires obviously low energy for its activation. Coming to history of enzymes, for the first time in 1850s, when Louis Pasteur proposed that fermentation of sugars into alcohols by yeast is catalyzed by ferments, they only were later named as enzymes. The term enzyme is coined by a scientist Kuhn in 1878, which comes from a Greek word which means in yeast. They are soluble ferment of bacteria or yeast. In the year 1897, Edward Buchner succeeded in extracting insoluble active form from yeast cells and named it as zymase, which catalyzes the fermentation of sugar to alcohol. In the 20th century, Emil Fischer carried out the systematic studies of enzyme specificity. In 1926, James Sumner succeeded to crystallize a pure form of enzyme urease from jack bean meal. Coming to nomenclature as well as classification. Nomenclature is nothing but naming system. Actually, earlier a a single enzyme used to have various names in different regions. To cut down these confusions, a systematic naming system as well as classification is done by a committee known as committee appointed by International Union of Biochemistry Molecular Biology, in short IUBMB. This enzyme commission framed certain rules for nomenclature and classification of enzymes and assigned each enzyme a recommended name and a four-part distinguishing number. In there, first number indicates the class of the enzyme, second indicates the subclass, third indicates the subclass, the last four digit indicates the series of the systematic position of the enzyme. For example, enzyme nitrate reductase is written as nitrate oxidoreductase EC 1.6.6.1. Here EC stands for enzyme commission. The first digit 1 is indicates class of enzyme, that is oxidoreductase. Second digit 6 indicates the subclass of the enzyme for the enzymes acting upon NADH or NADPH as electron donor. Third digit 6 indicates the subclass of the enzyme for the enzymes which transfer electrons to nitrogenous groups. Last digit 1 indicates the first enzyme of the series reducing nitrate to nitrite. Classification of enzymes according to IUB system. IUB or IUBMB are the one and the same. Class 1, oxidoreductase. The name itself indicates the group of enzymes which catalyzes oxidation as well as reduction reactions. This class includes enzymes like dehydrogenases, oxidases, oxygenases and peroxidases. Best examples under oxidoreductase glucose oxidase EC 1.1.3.4, whose systematic name is beta D glucose oxygen 1 oxidoreductase, catalyzes the oxidation of glucose to D-glucono 1,5-lactone. Subclasses under class 1 oxidoreductases are 11. 1.1 acting on the CHOH group as donors, 1.2 acting on aldehyde or ketone group of donors, 1.3 acting on CH group of donors, 1.4 acting on CHNH2 group of donors, 1.5 acting on double bond CNH group of donors, 1.6 acting on NAD or NADP as donors, 1.7 acting on other nitrogenous compounds as donors, 1.8 acting on sulfur compounds as donors, 1.9 acting on group of donors, 1.10 acting on phenol and related substances as donors, 1.11 acting on H2O2 as acceptor. Class 2 transferases. The name itself denoting it helps in transfer of groups. Some functional groups likewise. Important groups under this category are aminotransferase or transaminase, kinase, glycol transferases, transaldolases, transketolases. For example, best examples under class 2, aspartame aminotransferase, EC 2.6.1.1 systematic name, L-aspartate oxoglutarate aminotransferase, also called glutamic oxaloacetic transaminase or simply GOT, which catalyzes the functional group transfer reactions in organic chemistry. Subclasses of class 2, 2.1 transferring C1 groups, 2.2 transferring acyl or related groups, 2.3 acyl transferases, 2.4 glycosyl transferases, 2.5 transferring alkyl or related groups, 2.6 transferring nitrogenous groups, 2.7 transferring phosphor containing groups, 2.8 transferring sulfur containing groups. Coming to class 3, hydrolases. These enzymes catalyzes hydrologic cleavage CO, CN, OP, CC and other single bonds. The important hydrolases are esterases, glycosidases, peptides, phosphatase, thiamases, phospholipids, deaminases, ribonucleases. For examples of hydrolase are beta D galactosidase EC 3.2.1.23, which hydrolyzes the lactose to glucose and galactose. Another example is lipase, which hydrolyzes a triacylglycerol, that is fat into fatty acids as well as glycerol. Subclasses under class 3, 3.1 cleaving ester linkage, 3.2 cleaving glycosides, 3.3 cleaving other bonds, 3.4 cleaving peptide linkages, 3.5 cleaving CN bonds other than peptide bonds, 3.6 cleaving acid and anhydride bond, 3.7 cleaving CC bonds, 3.8 cleaving halide bonds, 3.9 cleaving PN bonds. Next, class 4, liases. Liase, these groups of enzymes involves elimination reactions in which a group of atoms is removed from the substance. This includes aldolases, decarboxylases, dehydratases and some pectinases, but does not include hydrolases. Hydrolases is having a special class. That's the reason they are not included under liases. For example, histidine ammonia liase EC 4.3.1.3, also called histidase, catalyzes the elimination reaction involved in conversion of L-histidine to urocanate. Subclasses 4.1 carbon-carbon liases, 4.2 carbon-oxygen liases, 4.3 carbon-nitrogen liases, 4.4 carbon-sulfur liases, 4.5 carbon-halide liases. Class 5 isomerases. These enzymes catalyze molecular isomerization of several types, which include cis-trans, ketoenol, aldose ketose interconversions. For example, xylose isomerase EC 5.3.1.5, commonly called glucose isomerase, which catalyzes the conversion of alpha D glucopyranose to alpha D fructofuranose. Subclasses 5.1 racemases and epimerases, 5.2 cis-trans isomerases, 5.3 Intramolecular oxidoreductases 5.4, intramolecular transferases 5.5, intramolecular lyases. Class 6 ligases. Ligase nothing but joining. So, these are enzymes also known as synthetases. These enzymes catalyze bond formation and are accompanied by the hydrolysis of ATP or other nucleotide phosphate. For example, glutathione synthase EC 6.3.2.3 also called glutathione synthetase catalyzes the synthesis of glutathione from gamma L-glutamyl L-cysteine. Subclasses under class 6 ligases are 6.1 forming CO bonds, 6.2 forming CN bonds, 6.3 forming C double bond N bonds, 6.4 forming C single CC bonds. I referred a book, Enzymes in Food Processing, Fundamentals and Potential Application, for this to cover this topic. Thank you, one and all.